So if you are actually having business credit cards and you want to fund your inventory, your company's inventory with those business credit cards, you really got to have the right strategy. And by strategy, I mean you got to have a model that works for you, and the model has to be actually embedded in the kind of rewards that those business credit cards are offering. In other words, when you're spending 10 grand on business inventory, you want to maybe have I would say a bonus, okay, a sign up bonus, for instance, or you can rack up miles, you can rack up points, you gotta have something in return, okay. So if you run a shop that sells a lot of stuff, you gotta really ask yourself what kind of inventory can you buy with a business credit card. This is important because at the end of the day, you got to really understand that your business credit cards has to fit into the kind of inventory your shop, your store, your company is selling or buying in the first place. Okay, and so the business credit cards is pretty cool in the sense that when you actually charge those costs on your business credit card, you can track them. You can really have them ready for your tax season, for filing taxes, for filing business taxes. But most importantly, you can also distribute those cards to employees, like employees' credit card. So if you have a large team, let's say you have a team in your warehouse, for instance, and you want to really have those team members accountable, having a business credit card to actually track inventory is kind of cool. So you can really distribute, not distribute, you can really you can give those business credit cards to a specific select team members and have them actually account for you. Okay, that's important. And also, business credit cards can really help with inventory financing. Okay, because if you think about it, inventory financing is a type of funding, such as a business credit card, a line of credit, or a business loan that your business uses to purchase products or stock. The cool thing about business credit cards is that the APR can be lower than what you would get with a line of credit or with a business loan, depending on your credit. Okay, I mean you might have single digit APR for business credit cards, whereas if you were to go for a loan or a business line of credit, you might not be that lucky. You might be getting a double digits APR. Okay, now the product you buy using inventory financing acts as collateral to secure the financing, and during your repayment period, the inventory you purchased is yours to sell, but the revenue you generate is used to pay back the loan or credit. But that doesn't happen with business credit cards. So you have more flexibility in terms of payments. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So let's talk. If you actually want to fund your inventory with business credit cards, you have to really understand that there is actually an economic need. There's an economic necessity to use a business credit card to finance your inventory, not just in terms of APR, not just in terms of flexibility in when it comes to repayments, but you have things like rewards, you have things like expense tracking, purchase protection, and you also have the cash flow management issue. That's really quite essential if you want to manage your inventory, but also your finances properly. So when I say rewards, for example, basically cashback business credit cards allow you to earn rewards on all inventory purchases, reducing inventory cost and adding value to each transaction. So that's really cool from a flexibility point of view. And in terms of expense tracking, basically you are able to track what's happening, right? Keeping an eye on your inventory spending as it happens can help you make better decisions. See, we're not speaking about tracking after the facts. We're speaking tracking as you buy inventory. So you can see everything from stock in, stock out, and whether you have an overage or underage in terms of your inventory. So when you use a business credit card, you can quickly see where your money is going and get a clear picture of how much you are spending on inventory. And also, you have purchase protection, the so important purchase protection feature. Okay, because business credit cards often come with some form of protection to help you if you purchase, let's say, faulty, broken, or products that are really scammy, like products that never arrived, right? So you have the possibility to actually recoup your cash if you charge it on a credit card. So if you make an inventory purchase using your business credit card, and it's not as if I mean, it's not as it was described. You can dispute the transaction with your credit card provider. And other forms of inventory financing don't offer the same protection when you think about it. Like, think about a business loan or a business line of credit. You don't have the same protection. And also in terms of cash flow management. So basically, instead of using your cash, using up your cash, you can make inventory purchases with your business credit card. It's like having a financial safety net that lets you, okay, let's say keep your cash handy for other important expenses. Let's say taking care of payroll or actually signing contracts with net 30 vendors that only want to receive payments in cash, for instance. So if you want to fund your inventory with business credit cards, let me share with you a little bit about the strategy I would adopt if I were you today. Okay. How do you actually use a business credit card to finance your inventory? The bottom line here is what? Bottom line is that you want the ability to fund your inventory at a very cost effective manner, at a very cost effective, I would say, rate, but also make sure that you can save a little bit of the inventory, the little bit of the cash that you have now for budgetary purposes. So you want to choose the right business credit card by, let's say, doing your research, right? Watching the cost and reading the details. And when I say watching the cost, I'm speaking about checking the annual fees, foreign transaction fees, interest rates, all that kind of stuff. Okay. And so you want to create also an inventory financing plan. This is important. If you want to use a business credit card to finance your inventory, you better have a plan. The plan is going to help you know whether or not you are actually on target. Okay. So you want to think about having a plan that includes things like procurement, budget allocation. It also has a repayment strategy. So when you charge on a card, you got to have a plan ready that you can really tap into when it comes to repayment. Okay. And if you want to use your business credit card to purchase inventory, make sure that you are making regular payments on your business credit card balance. If you can't pay it all, at least make regular payments. You also want to track your inventory levels carefully so you don't really spend unnecessarily. You want to set sales goals. If you don't reach those sales goals, don't keep charging your business credit card. You want to monitor your cash flow, right? Because cash is king here or queen. You want to consider other financing options. So this is kind of important from a flexibility point of view, but also from a scalability point of view. If you want to keep buying over and over, I would say inventory, you got to really have the right strategy so that when you scale, you can still scale properly. So when you think about the best business credit cards for purchasing inventory, I would say it really depends on the kind of niche you're in, the kind of industry you're in, the kind of economic sector you're in. Okay. I'll be sharing with you the top business credit cards, but I first wanted to talk to you about the fact that when you go for a specific business credit card for purchasing inventory, you want to make sure that you have extended warranty protection on purchases. This is how you protect yourself, right? It's all about risk management. So you want to have that extended warranty protection on purchases. Think about having zero liability for unauthorized charges. Things happen. You can have the best controls in the whole world, making sure that your team members have, like you are only authorizing a select number of team members, but you could still have unauthorized charges. Those things happen even with big companies. You also want to have real time purchase alerts and spending controls. This is important. Integration with accounting software and also employee card management capabilities. So this is kind of important from a flexibility point of view. So you know what works and what doesn't work. Okay. So one thing I want to say here is that basically managing inventory purchases becomes significantly more streamlined when utilizing a business credit card. Okay. Because if you think about it, you are able to actually find, like, you can park your own cash in a checking account or savings account for what I call for moments of for dry spells. Okay, I mean, as you know, this economy goes through ups and downs, and so does your specific sector, economic sector. So when your economic sector a lot has some down periods, you want to really tap into that business credit card, or you can use your actual cash. Okay. So, but the cool thing is that when you use the business credit card for inventory purchasing, you can actually have a dedicated spending limits. You have access to expense categorization, and you have also specialized customer service that really understands your commercial needs. So, what are the top business credit cards for you to consider this year if you want to fund your inventory? First, you have the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. Okay, this is a card that's pretty good in terms of flexibility. But what I love about this card is that it gives you 2% cash back on the first $50,000 in annual purchases with a straightforward rewards structure, ideal for consistent inventory buying. So with this card, the Blue Business Cash Card, you don't have categorized spending. There is no rotating category every single quarter. No, you just have 2% cash back on the first $50,000 in annual purchases. So if you can just use this American Express Blue Business Cash Card to buy inventory over and over and over, you can really save a lot of money, but also control your spending, your inventory spending. You also have the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card, and this card is a little different in the sense that they don't give you a cash back, but they give you actually 3 points per dollar on select business categories. So if you are actually in a specific industry and you think that, let's say, inventory management or warehousing sort of gets closer to the categories they have, you can really use this card. Okay, this card is particularly viable. I would say viable for companies with diverse spending patterns. You also have the Capital One Spark Cash Plus. This card is pretty good. The only thing is this is a charge card. So whatever you charge on the card, you have to pay in full at the end of the month, okay? And this card actually delivers unlimited 2% cash back across all purchases. So this is kind of similar to the American Express Blue Business Cash Card, okay? And also the Capital One Spark Cash Plus eliminates the need to track category spending every month, every quarter, every 6 months, or whatever. Okay, so you have more flexibility. Another card that I love when it comes to inventory management, inventory purchasing, is the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. And this card actually features 5% cash back at office supply stores and on internet services. So if your business purchases inventory through these channels, you can actually benefit. You can benefit from up to 5% cash back. Okay. And the final card I want to share with you is the US Bank Business Triple Cash Rewards, or the late MasterCard. And what I love about this card is that it combines purchase protection with an extended zero interest period. And so that's kind of cool because if your business goes through I would say several purchase cycles, you will love that flexibility that comes from the US Bank Business Triple Cash Rewards. So if you want to maximize card benefits and you're thinking about using your business credit cards to purchase inventory, you really need to understand that you got to have smart inventory purchasing strategies. You can't just purchase inventory when you want it. You got to be a little, I would say, discriminatory. What I call, you got to discriminate a little bit. Okay. So what you want to do here is if you want to optimize your inventory purchasing, you want to regularly reconcile credit card statements with inventory records. You want to maintain detailed purchase logs, including supplier information. You want to track reward earnings and redemption opportunities. You want to implement purchase approval workflows, and you want to regularly review credit limits and utilization patterns. Okay, that's pretty cool in terms of flexibility. And you also want to manage cash flow effectively because, like I said, if you have a business credit card, whatever you charge on the card, you have to pay at the end of the month. Okay. So even if you have a grace period of 28 days, for instance, you still want to make sure that you are paying everything that you charge on the card as long as you can. Some cards are pretty flexible. They allow you to roll over balances, but other cards want you to pay like cards like American Express or a Capital One. They want you to pay the full balance at once every single month. Okay, so it's up to you to really do a quick cash flow forecast between your cash inflow and cash outflow to see what works and what doesn't work for your specific industry or your specific business. This is how you are going to see the good side of using business credit cards to purchase inventory, especially if you are buying all kinds of inventory, not just a specific type of item, but you are buying all types of raw materials, finished products, and work in process items. So, if you are using your business credit card to fund your inventory, you need to really understand that there are some tax benefits and documentation that come in place. Why? Because raw materials, basic raw materials, finished products, or work in process items are part of something called cost of goods sold. So when you file your business taxes at the end of the year, you file your 1065, your 1120s, or your 1120 business tax returns. You have the possibility to actually to do in your income statement. You have the possibility to put the cost of goods sold, and that number comes straight from your business credit card. Okay, of course you might have to reconcile the data that you have on your business credit card statements with the warehouse data, right? But bottom line is, by and large, you get that data from the business credit card. You also have the possibility to manage vendor relationships through the credit card, right? Because a consistent payment history through business credit cards strengthens relationships with inventory suppliers. So, and if you are able to have to maintain that trust, you can increase your credit history, your business credit history, your business credit score. So your PAYDIS score will go up. Your Equifax business credit score will go up. Your Experian business credit score will go up. So that's kind of cool from a flexibility point of view. And you also have international purchasing considerations. So you can actually use your business credit cards to buy inventory from overseas. But now just remember that when you buy internationally, you might have foreign transaction fees, and those fees may vary significantly between credit cards. You have exchange rate calculations. You have international purchase protection policies that actually differ by card issuer and region. You have customs and duties charges may apply to certain purchases, and also some cards offer specialized support for international business transactions. So you have to see what kind of consideration applies to your specific company. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about how to use your business credit cards to purchase inventory. I gave you the overview, the strategy, the top cards to consider this year. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.